Welcome back. These were the thing that we did in the previous series. Now we are going to write something within this thing, this structure, and we will open it in the browser. Now I will give title. Let me write something like the heading. I will say this is a heading, heading one. And I will say this is a paragraph. Now, when we open this in the browser, we will need to save it first. Go to File, Save As. Now, another thing is we need to save this. Let me save this in desktop, and inside this series, I will name it indexed.html. For a browser to identify that this is an HTML document, it must be indicated, or the extension must be .html. The name before here is not a must to. It's not a must for you to say index dot, but your name, any name, must be declared with .html and save it there. Now coming to our browser, let me open this, and inside, okay, let's check for it. It is here. Let me put it in that so that we don't confuse. So what we need to do, we need to double click. So it is say that document series HTML. So open. Here, index.html, then open. So we'll open it with the Chrome. Now you can see here it has my first web page. So there's a problem here. Here, title should have that. Let me check the body. The body is fine. Now let us check again the desktop. It is here. Now you can see HTML. This is a heading one, and this is a paragraph. So it is just simple as is like that. Now within this we have what we call h2. H2, call this. Let me copy h2. H2. Now there will be a difference between h2 and h1. It will be 2. Let me add one more, h3. Just that and put 3, h3. Save and open the web page and you refresh. Now the difference is the font size. H1 is bigger than H2. H2 is bigger than H3 down to H6. This is how we are going to proceed. Very simple like this. Please let me recommend that you, whether you cram it or whatever you understand it, the basic structure of HTML, this is how we are going. Everything we need will be inside the body. Next, I will show you how to create some links like heading, header, put some tables and so forth. So please let me know your thoughts, what you think about this in the comment there. One thing I miss or one thing I should add. If you like it, please let me know in the comment.